Hello, my dear students, welcome to this lesson. It's titled the verb to be in simple present tense. This is the most important verb in English you will need. It's the verb to be. It's like the French one, le verbe être. So, فعل الكينونة. Before moving to the conjugation of the verb to be in simple present tense, we have to know the subject pronouns in English. I, you, he, she, it. We, you, they. Subject pronouns in English are two categories. We have singular and plural. The singular one, I, you, he, she, it. And the plural ones are we, you, they. Subject pronoun of English, and I'm going to translate them into Arabic. So, I, أنا. You, أنت أو أنتِ. he, هو. she, هي. it تستعمل لغير العاقل، للجماد وللمفرد، يجب أن يكون مفردا. ضمائر الجمع we، نحن. you، أنتم، أنتما. they، هم or هما. So let's start. To be in simple present tense, affirmative form. We have full form يعني الشكل التام and short form الشكل المختصر. وغالبا ما يستعمل الشكل التام في الكتابة والشكل المختصر في الكلام في speaking. So I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. This is the full form. The short form, your, his, she's, its, where, your, there. Now we're going to move to the second case, which is to be in simple present tense in the negative form. It's the same. We have the full form again and short form. For the full form, we say I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. For the short form, it's like the one we use when we are speaking. We say aren't, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Now we move to the third case, which is to be in simple present interrogative. Poser la question عندما نريد طرح السؤال. Am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are you, are they. So you notice here we do the auxiliary subject inversion. يعني دوك le subject pronouns كيوليو هما اللي بعد الverb. So here I am going to give example of the verb to be in simple present tense in affirmative case. So we say, for example, I am a doctor. You are a student. He is a policeman. She is a secretary. It is a table. Look here, that's I am a doctor, you are a student, he is a policeman, she is a secretary, it is a table. They are all singular. With the plural form, we say we are Moroccans, you are friends, they are classmates. Notice for the plural we use are. So متى يكون المفرد كنستعملو is، متى يكون الجمع كنستعملو are، باستثناء الحالة الأولى I with I كنستعملو am. And notice you have you are a student and you are friends. يقدروا يبانوا لكم على أنهم نفس الحالات، ولكن لا. you are a student الأولى مفرد، والثانية التي تظهر ما قبل السطر الأخير you are friends جمع plural. Now I'm going to give examples of the negative case. It's the same as the affirmative, the only change is that we add not, which refers to the negative. So in this استعمال not نشير إلى النفي. So I am not a doctor, you are not a student, he is not a policeman, she is not a secretary, it is not a table, we are not Americans, you are not friends, they are not classmates. And the last form, which is the interrogative form, عندما نريد أن نطرح سؤال. For example, we say am I a doctor? Notice here شنو الفرق بين الافirmative والinterrogative. L'inversion de subject pronoun مع auxiliary am. So am I a doctor? Are you a student? Is he a policeman? Is she a secretary? Is it a table? Are we Moroccans? Are you friends? Are they classmates? So in the last slide you are going to see as a kind of summary تلخيص للverb to be in simple present tense. So in questions, as we have seen, this is just an example. Am I in English? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you English? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Is he English? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Is she English? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Is it English? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are we English? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you English? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Are they English? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope this is going to help you. As I said, the verb to be is the most important verb in English. So you have to memorize this and subscribe to my channel if you like the content of this channel. Bye. See you next time.